Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your BCS class and our today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 2 and 3 reading done. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. This is chapter 2, lesson 2 and 3 and the chapter's name is Rural and Urban Culture of Bangladesh. Okay, I will today give you some ideas, information, the main informations of this chapter. The ideas, customs and social behavior of people belong to their culture. The behavioral pattern, creativity, roles, etc. of the rural people determine rural culture. Now the rural culture is divided into two parts, two types. First one is socio-economic life-based and the second one is festivals and recreational patterns. So at first we will learn today the culture oriented with socio-economic life. Rural life is chiefly oriented with agriculture. Some people have their own lands and some earn their livelihood by working in others' fields. At present, besides cow and plough, there are tractors and power tillers to plough the lands. Shallow machines are there to irrigate lands. Okay, but in the previous years, in the few years ago, actually people used cow and plough to plough the lands, and they also used the irrigation manually. Okay. Then the next point is once granaries were full with paddy. Rivers, streams, brooks and ponds used to abound in fish. Now most of these rivers and streams have filled up. Uses of insecticides and chemical fertilizers from fields are getting mixed with water and killing small fries and spoiling eggs of fishes. Villagers try to live on fish, rice, vegetables, pulses, etc. Homemade cakes and pies are prepared for consumption. Now, adolescent and young males wear pants and shirts besides shirt and lungi. Females use frocks and salwar kameez besides saris. But in the earlier females, actually they used to wear saris. Okay, and the males also used to wear the lungis. Okay, then the fotuas, etc. Now go to the next point. That now thatched tin roofing and brick building are available instead of clay huts or houses made of wood, bamboo with tall grass roofing. Roads have been constructed. Rickshaws and motor vehicles are seen. Boats are modified with engines. A majority of population in Bangladesh are Muslims. There are also Hindus, Buddhists and Christians. In rural areas, they observe their respective religion and live in harmony. Now the second point is festivals and recreational patterns. This is festivals and recreation. The first one is Boishakhi Mela, which is also known as Pohela Boishak, a fair in April. The second para is Nabanno, a festival after the late autumn harvest. Then this is Halkhata, opening of new accounts book. Then this is a boat race, the marriage ceremony, Jatra, Palagan, Kobigan, poetry with rhythm. Then Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Shab Barat, Eid Miladun Nabi. They are actually the festivals of Muslims. Then Durga Puja, Lokhi Puja, Kali Puja, Saraswati Puja, Dol Purnima, Rash and Ratha Jatra, that means charioting. These are actually the pujas of Hindus. Okay, that means the festivals of Hindus. Now this is Buddhi Purnima, which is the festival of the Buddhist, and this is Christmas. Christmas is the festival of Christians. Now urban culture of Bangladesh. Actually, urban culture is divided into two types. The first one is socio-economic life based, and the next one is festivals and recreation based. So at first, socio-economic life based. Social life in towns is limited. There may not be that much communication with each other. Urban children grow up in their respective homes and flats. It is very tough to find open field. Okay, that's why the children of the town, they are actually busy with the computers or mobiles. Urban people remain busy with their profession. Males and females of villages migrate to the cities, taking jobs in garments factories. Some of these rural people also become the rickshaw puller, van drivers, or pushcart peddlers, or coolies and day laborers. Some features of rural culture influence urban culture. Urban culture also affect the rural culture. Now, dress pattern of the urban areas is spectacular. Now, the second para is festivals and recreation based. So, this is Pohela Boishakh. The first one is Pohela Boishakh, that means the Boishakhi Mala also. Now, the second one is Pohela Falgun, Ekushe Boi Mela, and stage play besides television and cinema. That means in the urban areas, people actually celebrate this type of festivals like the Pohela Boishakh, Pohela Falgun, Ekushe Boi Mela, and stage play beside television and cinema. And students, just look here. This is a homework. Make 5 MCQ. Okay, and you have to submit this homework on Saturday. Okay, students, stay safe, stay well, take care, and Allah Hafiz.